6:34 now, and the wildfires in California are just not slowing down. In some of the most recent photos, we see woodlands full of flames and homes turned to ash.
Dozens of Kentucky firefighters have been deployed now to help thousands of other firefighters from across the country. LAX 18's Claire Kopsky live in our studio now with this story, new on Sunrise.
Claire and Chris, that's right. 49 Kentuckians are currently deployed to 5 western states, including California, where wildfires have erupted. Teams from the Kentucky State Division of Forestry are currently on the front lines near Yosemite National Park. Crews are working 16 hours a day, sleeping in tents, and fighting this fire just with the tools they can carry. The Kentucky team is on a 2-week rotation before heading back home.
To be very aware about their surroundings. The tree heights are much higher than what we deal with in Kentucky. The fires will just take off and explode. They'll climb by thousands and thousands of acres at a time.
The flames in California have destroyed 250,000 acres of the state and destroyed more than 1,000 structures. The death count is now up to 8 in California, with many others still missing. Claire and Chris, back to you.